I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to fix a broken zipper on jeans without sewing. First, let's identify the problem. If your zipper teeth have separated, carefully realign them from the bottom. Sometimes, the slider becomes too loose. You can gently squeeze the back of the slider with needle nose pliers to tighten it, which often helps the teeth interlock properly again. This simple adjustment can make a big difference. If your zipper slider is stuck, lubrication is key. Take a graphite pencil and rub the tip along the zipper teeth, or use a bar of soap. This creates a smooth surface, allowing the slider to move more freely. After applying, gently wiggle the slider up and down a few times. Also, always check for any fabric that might be caught, as this is a common cause of a stuck zipper. A missing zipper pull can be frustrating, but it's an easy fix. You can temporarily use a paper clip, a small keyring, or even a sturdy piece of string by threading it through the hole on the slider. For a more permanent solution, many stores offer specialized zipper pull replacement kits. These kits usually provide a more comfortable and durable option that blends seamlessly with your jeans, making zipping up much easier. For immediate relief, a safety pin or a hair tie can temporarily keep your jeans closed. To prevent future issues, if you notice any fraying fabric near the zipper, apply a small amount of clear nail polish to seal it. This prevents threads from getting caught. Also, remember to always zip up your jeans completely before putting them in the wash. This simple habit helps maintain the zipper's integrity and extends its lifespan.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.